Did you know that a tidy room can make you feel super happy? Let's dive into how to keep your space neat and fun. First, let's talk about the 5-minute rule. Whenever you finish playing with your toys or reading a book, take just 5 minutes to put everything back in its place. It's like a mini game. Set a timer and see how much you can tidy up before it goes off. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. Next, create a special spot for everything. Use colorful bins or boxes to organize your toys, books, and clothes. Label them with pictures or words so you know exactly where things belong. When everything has a home, it's way easier to keep your room clean. Finally, make it a habit. Try to tidy up a little every day. You can even turn it into a fun dance party. Play your favorite song and dance while you clean. Before you know it, your room will be sparkling and you'll feel proud of your tidy space. Now it's your turn. Grab a timer, set it for 5 minutes, and start tidying up. Let's see how neat you can make your room today.